Welcome to day 4 of advanced level exercise regime with Sathi Snails to Bolts. In the last 3 days we have done lower body, core, upper body, and today we'll be focusing back on the lower body. Let's welcome Manish. Let's start. Thank you.
Are you ready to beat diabetes? So, are you ready for a change? Are you ready to sweat it out? 3, 2, 1.
Hello everyone. So today we'll start with a warm up. So as warm up is always important and essential. If you had did earlier session of our beginner level, you had seen we had did very light warm up also. So this will be because you had did for the month, more than month you had did all these exercises. Now you are doing this. So hope this warm up will be for next level of your exercises, which we will be showing further. Yeah? So let's start with the warm up. We will start from the head to toe. Slowly we will take all the body parts, we will mobilize it, loosen it. Yeah? Okay, let's start with the head. Up down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change left right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, side bend dynamically. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next, we will do the front, back, up, back. Front, back. Got it? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Next one, alternate toe touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, 1, 2. इससे आपका groins mobilize होएगा, and it is very important to mobilize your groins before doing, because feet and groins are the ignored part. Yeah, relax. Next one, we will do the hip rotation. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, calf raises. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Next one, for your ankle, up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Left right, same leg. If you want, left right. If you want, take support. I'm not 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. With the another leg, we will do the rotation. Rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3. If you want to take support, please take it. Not any issue. Relax, relax. दूसरा पैर. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse, reverse, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do for the hamstring. We will loosen the hamstring muscle. Just you have to stand and bend down. Your knee should be locked and swing. We will show. Yeah. Make sure your knee should be locked. Yeah, you start. Yeah, you just swinging the hand. Make sure you are getting the stretch in your hamstring. You are loosening the hamstring muscles. Yeah, relax, relax, relax. Next one, we will do few kicks. Front kick, front kick. 1, 2. आराम से करो. अगर आपसे नहीं होता है, कम होता है, चलेगा. इतना किया चलेगा. हाँ, कम किया तो भी चलेगा. बट लेग शुड बी स्ट्रेट. और पैर को टच करने के लिए अपने बॉडी को नीचे मत लेकर आओ. यस, दूसरे पैर का फ्रंट किक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Switch to another leg. Sideways, sideways, sideways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Squat jog, squat jog. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, jumping jacks, jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, butt kick, butt kick. You have to swing your hand, see his leg movement. He's trying to pull his leg behind and kicking behind as much as possible. Relax, relax. Next one and the last one, we will do the high knee. Do it with the low intensity. First show low intensity. Yeah, relax. Yes. इतना किया तो भी चलेगा. और जो थोड़ा और ऊपर फिर धीरे धीरे जितना, yes, इतना भी चलेगा. Don't do more than this. Yeah, you will do the relax. Okay, we are done with the warm up. Now we will start with our workout. Thank you. Hello everyone. So today we will do the lower body workout with Vivek, and he has shown tremendous of workout with his grace form. That is what very important. So today also he have few set of workout for us. So let's see what he have in his mind. So first one, we will do the forward and backward lunge together with the single leg. With the single leg. How to do? We will show. Forward. Now he will go to the backward. Forward. And he will go to the backward. Yeah, relax. With the same leg. Same leg you have to repeat. Yeah? Ready? 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, those basic principle will your leg will not go ahead of your foot. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. Yes. We will show from the other side, so you will be able to see. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Relax. Next workout we will do squat variation. So we will do squat with the calf raises. Squat with the calf raises. मतलब आप squat भी करोगे और calf raises भी करेंगे. कैसे? We will show. You have to be in the squat position continuously and you have to raise the calf. Do it slowly. Yeah. He will show from the side way also. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, just show from the side way. See, heel is lifting from down. 1. The more slower you will do, the less the body will fumble. Because you will get time to balance your body. As I had told earlier also, the previous workouts also, your body, mind, everything should be in the sync. Then only the workout will go gracefully. Yeah? Just don't go for the repetitions. इतना ज़्यादा मेरा हो जाए, कुछ मतलब नहीं. Yeah? Let's start, Vivek.
Yes.
Yeah, great. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay. Next one we will do we will walk in the squat position. We will walk in the squat position with the heel lifted. How to do? He will show. Yeah. Just walk with the heel lift. Yes. Slowly. Yes. Got it? Hope you got it. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. फॉरवर्ड एंड बैकवर्ड. आप हमेशा आपके मैट के इतना लेंथ ले सकते हो और उसको फॉरवर्ड और बैकवर्ड. अगर वो आपको टफ लगता है तो आप 3-3, 4-4 स्टेप आगे जा सकते हो और 3-4 स्टेप पीछे जा सकते हो. इक्वल स्टेप फॉरवर्ड, इक्वल स्टेप बिहाइंड. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Next one we will do burpees with squat. Yeah, how to do? We will show. This is how we normally do. He will show in the slow motion also. How to come? Yeah, come slowly. Yes, go down. Yes. Come slowly up. One leg together. Yeah. Fine. So you can do like this. Yes. It is not necessary you have to do so many. Do it slowly. Do it comfortably. Make sure your form is proper. The knee should not go behind your foot. I am repeating the same thing always because that is what we do the common mistake generally. Not intentionally but unintentionally as your body starts getting tired. Yeah? Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We increase the intensity of the workout. Now we will, because this is the last workout of the set. So what we will do, we will just decrease the intensity and we will take the heart rate down. So we will do the squat hold. Squat में hold position में जाएंगे. He will show. Sorry. Yes. Just hold. You have to do hold. Jump for the 30 seconds. Relax. Come. Now, are you ready, guys? If not, get ready. Yes. Let's start. 3, 2, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do it properly. This is the last workout of this set. Then we will do the cool down. 14, 15, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax, relax, relax. Wow, great. Very nice. Yeah, you did all the workout tremendously and gracefully. That's great. Yeah, hope you too enjoy. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and also press the bell notification to get all the notification what we will update in future. Yeah, thank you so much. As we finish our workout, it is always important to the cool down. As had explained earlier also, cool down is very important. Yeah, so we'll do the cool down also from your head to toe. We will show each exercise from head to toe will be 10 seconds, but you can do, if you have more time, you can do for 20 to 30 seconds also. Yeah, this will make your body relaxed. You will feel like you can do all the workout again. Yeah, that is what the magic of the cool down or limb burning. Yeah, okay. Let's start. Ready for the
Yes,
cool down?
yes.
Yeah. Let's start with the head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one. Yeah. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One we will do for the triceps. Yes, have to pull down like this. Yes. The way he is doing. You will get the stretch here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do side bend hold. क्या? Static side bend रहेगा, hold रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, forward bend like this. आपके हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच करना है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. 1, 2. ये देखो, ये हिप को पीछे की तरफ स्ट्रेच कर रहा हूँ. तो आपको he is showing in the other direction. हिप को पीछे डायरेक्शन में ये किए तो आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. यस, रिलैक्स. 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, he will show for the hip like this. In the lunges position, but static. होल्ड रखेंगे. आपके हिप और ग्लूट्स दोनों में स्ट्रेच आएगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. हील ग्राउंड पे टच नहीं रहेगा. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट है. आगे वाला पैर 90 डिग्री है. पीछे वाला पैर भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. 4, 3, 2, 1. या दूसरे साइड करेंगे. अभी दूसरे साइड. 1, 2. अपर बॉडी स्ट्रेट. नी 90 डिग्री. पीछे वाला पैर स्ट्रेट. हील डाउन टच नहीं है. रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरवर्ड बेंड. हाथ ऐसे ऊपर लेंगे और नीचे जाएंगे. आप गो डाउन स्लोली. यस. नी लॉक है. लेग स्ट्रेट है. आपको हैमस्ट्रिंग में स्ट्रेच आएगा. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बस अगर कोई अपना फोरहेड नी को टच कर सकता है वो भी कर सकते हैं. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. अभी एक बैक के लिए करेंगे. जस्ट गो बैक. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. आप लोग जितना कर सकते हैं उतना ही करना. रिलैक्स रिलैक्स रिलैक्स. नेक्स्ट वन, वी विल डू वन फॉर द ग्लूट्स. पैर ऐसे करेंगे और सिट डाउन. जितना भी नीचे बैठ सकते. परफेक्ट. 1, 2. एक जगह पे देखो तो आपका कॉन्सेंट्रेट करोगे ना एक जगह पे तो आपका हो जाएगा. 5, 4, 3, 2. अभी दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. या विल डू फॉर द अनदर लेग. स्टार्ट. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. One we will do for the groin. One we will do for the groin. Sit down like this and just stretch. आपके एल्बो से थाइस को बाहर की तरफ पुश करना है. 1, 2. You will feel the stretch in your groin. Groins मतलब ये पार्ट. Just you will feel the stretch there. Relax. That is most ignored part while doing any of the workout. Either warm up, cool down. So we had purposely included in our program. One we will do for the quads. We will just lift it. Again, आप एक जगह पे देखो नहीं होता है तो आप बैलेंस ले सकते हो. दीवार से चलेगा. या 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. दूसरे पैर के लिए करेंगे. दूसरे पैर के लिए 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Next one, we will do Trikonasana. क्रॉस ट्राइंगल पोज. परफेक्ट. ऊपर देखना है स्काई पे. यस, आप घर में कर रहे हो तो सीलिंग पे देखिए. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. अदर साइड. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Next one, we will do few sitting exercises. Sitting stretches. यहाँ पे बैठ जाओ. आपका पैर इधर आएगा. Perfect. अभी just both the legs straight. Both the legs straight. Perfect. Just bend down. Forward bend. Again, आपका जो ये पैर है ये जितना ग्राउंड की तरफ रहेगा उतना अच्छा है. या 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. रिलैक्स. या बटरफ्लाई. बटरफ्लाई. थोड़ा मैट पे आ जाओ. हाँ, चलेगा. 9, 10. एक कैट कैमल करेंगे, कैट कैमल. जस्ट आर्च it. देखिए कैसे आर्च कर रहे हैं. यस, देन अगेन do 4 to 5 times. Yes, but do it very slowly. This is for relaxing your back. This is very good for your back. Yes, so you must do it. Yeah, relax. Next one, you will sit in the Vajrasan. Sit. Yeah. Just press your body. Yes. Just sit down for 10 to 20 seconds. हम लोग 10 सेकेंड के लिए ही करेंगे. Relax. Come up. The last one we will do with the breathing exercise. Inhale up करेंगे और exhale down करेंगे. Inhale up मतलब वो सांस अंदर लेके ऊपर जा रहे हैं और सांस छोड़ेंगे तो नीचे आ रहे हैं. Very slowly with his breathing rhythm. उनका हाथ भी ऊपर जा रहा है और breathing rhythm से ही जैसे exhale कर रहे हैं डाउन हो रहे हैं. Inhale ले रहे हैं तो ऊपर, exhale तो डाउन. Relax. Hope you enjoyed the session. And if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for more updates. We will keep posting many more videos for you and many other elements also. Yeah, thank you.